Hey, this is Tom with Peace of Mind Property Management. I love talking property management, and today I want to talk to you about an issue that I had in the past and talk about maintenance. So should you go with a property management company that has an in-house maintenance or they outsource their maintenance? So I have done both. So you can, I've outsourced my maintenance, and that's what we currently do. We currently outsource our maintenance, and I've also had maintenance in-house as well. So there's a lot of pros and cons to each one. Let's talk about the pros. Let's talk about in-house maintenance. In-house maintenance, you theoretically should have better communication with your in-house crew. So that way the people are going into the office, they know what they're doing, they know your staff, and they should be talking back and forth with your staff a little bit better. They should be able to handle emergencies, maybe in theory, maybe a little bit better. Okay, so that's really one of the great things about in-house maintenance. Okay, I think the negative things and I guess the positive things about outsourcing is price. For me, I was always able to outsource for less money than my in-house maintenance staff. That's because with an in-house maintenance staff, if they're doing it correct, they're paying for a W-2, they're paying for their truck, they're paying for a lot of things, and there's a lot of expenses with having an in-house maintenance crew. For outsourcing, you're not going to have all those expenses. So sometimes somebody needs a little extra money and they're going to be able to do things for less. The other thing is having it work. So in theory, in-house maintenance sounds extremely great. It sounds like, man, this is like the right option. They're just gonna do things. But in reality, if I can choose from say 5 or 6 or 15 handyman versus 2 handyman, if these 2 are having a bad day or a bad year or just bad, then I can probably choose the 15 and find one of the better 15 folks. So that's what's been my reality, and that's why we chose outsourcing our maintenance, is because we could do it for cheaper and we could get a little bit better quality. And if somebody was having a bad day, bad month, or bad year, we didn't have that situation. It was easy for us to just simply switch to another handyman or plumber or something like that. So I hope that information helps. If you do find a company that has a in-house maintenance, it can be very good. So I'm not saying not to do that, but just make sure they've been doing it for a while and they have all the kinks and everything worked out. Because if they don't, it can be pretty challenging. So good luck. I hope that helps.